Hey family, what's up? You are watching Mari's Magical Channel here. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more experiments. Alright guys, we are back with another science experiment. This one's called acid rain. And for this experiment, the question will be, what is acid rain? And we're going to get right back into that. So for this experiment, you will need some phenol red. You could get this at pool supply stores. Make sure you also have an adult look after you, and I advise you to wear gloves because it says don't get this on your skin. We got a drinking straw. By the way, we're not going to drink this stuff. This stuff, don't drink it. We got a glass jar, an empty glass jar. And then we got a cup of water. Pretty cool. Okay, after you have all these materials laid out for you, the question of the day is, what is acid rain? I'm curious, so we're about to find out. Alright, so step 1 to the procedure is fill the jar about half to 3/4 full of cool water. Now we got the cool water right here. We're gonna pour three quarters. So quarters, if you guys don't know, means 4. So 4, and we're gonna put. We might need to get a little bit more water. Yeah, guys. I'll be back in a sec, just gotta get some more water. Got my glass of cool water. Now I'm gonna pour it up to the 300 mark, because that'll be like 3/4. And I'm there, guys. Look at that. 3/4 of a jar. Yeah, I kind of want you guys to see it. Alright, so after we got that laid out, the second procedure is put approximately 20 drops of phenol red into the water until it turns light red. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open the phenol red and put 20 drops in there. Now I suggest you that you have a parent with you so that you don't get a skin burn or something. But also be careful while doing it, while you're handling this, or have an adult do it. That's 3. Boom. 20 drops of phenol red. Look at that, guys. It's like red velvet. Now, for the final step is to finally blow into the phenol red with this drinking straw. As again, do not drink it by any means necessary, because this may poison you. I know, experiments can be dangerous. But anyway, wow, guys, check it out. It turned from red to like a dark orange. I have never seen anything in my life like this. Now, let's see what happens if we keep blowing it. You ready? Blow.
Two very boring minutes later.
Voila! I've been doing this for 2 minutes. I'm exhausted, but we finally got it to turn clear. It's clear now, guys. And you can see like that little stuff in there. Like you can see like little particles in there. Wow, guys. That took long. Before we end this episode, family, I noticed something. So, you know, as usual, we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not the same as air. It's the stuff we breathe out. So when we blew into the straw, we were blowing out carbon dioxide. And while we were blowing the carbon dioxide with the tap water, it created a very weak acid. And phenol red reacts with many acids, and including this acid. So when the weak acid combines with the phenol red, it changes the color of it changes the color. And that's how you get from the color red to the color clear. Another thought that just popped up in my brain is that when we release coal, gasoline, and other fossil fuels, it releases carbon dioxide into the air, which mixes with water in the air, which is also rainwater. It then mixes into acid rain, and then it can make the air very unsafe. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of our experiment. Acid rain, this experiment is, in case you forgot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment to Mario's Magical Channel, and I'll see you in the next experiment.